Hello everyone, I'm here in South Philadelphia, uh, one of the nicest neighborhood. Uh, it's on South Alder Street. It is located between, this is a Mifflin and McCain. Just the street you see down there by the stop sign is 10th Street. It is this street, the Alder Street is located between McCain and Mifflin. I'm here to show you a beautiful 3-bed, 1.5 bath house on this very lovely and quiet neighborhood. As you know, this area is very close to public transport, and there are a lot of restaurants on Passyunk Street. It's a walking distance from here. You have a lot of restaurants, a lot of bars, and easy access to public transport. The place I would like to show you is this 1910 Alder Street. It's a nice row house, a beautiful row house. As you could see, the house just pops out from the rest. It has this beautiful bay window, and here is the sidewalk. Here is the entrance to the house. I'm sorry, it is not a bright day. It's foggy in Philadelphia. It's drizzling actually. That doesn't give any justice to this video, but you could see this is a beautiful neighborhood, very quiet residential neighborhood, and this is the house. I will get in and show you what the inside looks like. This is for the outside. We have street parking. It's a one-way street, but there are plenty of parking in the area. On the other side is McCain. Here is Mifflin, and the street I'm on is Alder Street. The house is 1910. Let's get in to the house. All right, I'm inside the house right now. As you could see, this is a beautiful house with recessed light, nicely designed living space. Here, as you walk in, on your right, you have this beautiful window, a bay window. You have a beautiful wood floor throughout the house. As I walk in, this is your dining space. You have a radiator heat and a window unit for the AC. This is what your living room looks like from this angle. Chandelier. This is the steps to the bedrooms. You have 3 bedrooms upstairs. All right, the next room I would like to show you is your kitchen. As you walk in here to my right, you have powder room. Got a toilet here, your vanity, beautiful light, and a tile floor in a bathroom. Here is your kitchen. It's a big kitchen with a lot of cabinet space. You have a refrigerator, a gas oven. Here you also have a cooktop, built-in microwave, sink, a garbage disposal, additional space, storage space on my right. The door you see over there takes you to a beautiful patio where you have nice plants. Let me get out and show you what the outside looks like. Let's walk in. This is the space, patio. This is the door to the breezeway, and it is a nice and private area to have just a quiet moment or enjoy the breeze of a fresh air or to entertain your guests. This is beautiful and quiet space just right off. Just go out out of the kitchen. That's what you find. Back to the house now. The house. All right, you have steps that takes you this nice basement. It's not finished, but you have plenty of storage space, and also you have your washing machine. I'm going to show you the basement in a minute. First, let's go up and see what the bedrooms looks like. As I come up, see the skyline over there on the top of the steps. All right, on my left, I have 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Here on my right, the biggest bedroom in the house. And here, you got a lot of space. It's a big bedroom with 2 windows for a natural light. Let me open the window so you can see. And you have 1 window here. You have a next one over there. You also have nice closet space. It's a beautiful bedroom here. Huge. Let me show you the other one. Also, the other window. Cut this down. Looking out to Alder Street. This is the view from this angle, and this is your closet space. Nice size closet space. All right, then off to the next rooms. First one, the resident is using it as an office space. This is the second bedroom. As you walk in, you have this exposed brick, ceiling fan, a window. Over there, you have your nice closet space. Big size closet space. You also have additional space next to your closet here. Nicely designed. So you open it, you find this space. All right, this is a view from this angle. Nice bedroom or office. Right now they are using it as an office space, but yeah, it is a nice bedroom. Next, you have a hallway bathroom here. Beautiful bath. Nice tile floor. Beautiful tile wall. You have a shower, bath, combo. You have this window for fresh air as well. It brings in, it's a frosted window, it brings in natural light to the bathroom. On my left, you have the vanity and the medicine cabinet, toilet. Perfect. Then the last bedroom is here. This one is located back to the back of the building. You have 2 windows for a natural light. You also have recessed lights in this bedroom. You'll be looking out to the alley. This bedroom, you have a huge closet space and also built-in shelves for to store your arts or anything you like. Nice. It has nicely built shelf inside. It's a perfect space. All right, this is the bedroom. The third bedroom looks like. Now I go down and show you the next part, which is the basement. Going back. All right, so you have these wide steps to the basement. This is a very dry basement, concrete floor, plenty of storage space. Here on my right, I have my gas dryer, and on my left, you have these nicely built shelves and a washing machine. You also have tons of space here to store your items. You could use this basement for storage, or you also have space if you like to just set up to use it as your exercise room. A lot of space in here. This is what the basement looks like. I just showed you the 3-bedroom house. It's a beautiful house. I hope you like the video. Hope you like the house. Thank you for watching. Bye.